The Epson SureLab D1070 maintenance tool allows for control over maintenance operations across a single or fleet of D1070 printers. This version of the application is Windows only. Before we begin, you'll want to make sure that you have your printer powered on, the printer driver is installed on your computer, and that they're both on the same shared connected network. At the top of the interface, you can see all of the D1070 printers you have installed on your computer. For this example, we just have one, but if you had additional units, they would appear here, and you can control each one of them individually. The printer history captures a log of any operational actions you take or if there are errors with the printer. And then finally, in the printer maintenance area, starting from the bottom, you can perform a nozzle check, which prints a pattern to see if there's any missing nozzles, a force cleaning to clean your printhead if there are issues, and a diagnostic cleaning will perform a nozzle check and then a cleaning if necessary. So it's both actions combined. The D1070 utilizes an auto missing nozzle detection technology, and that's indicated by this normal option here. So this means that a nozzle pattern will be printed and then scanned by the printer. So whenever you indicate normal in any of these actions, just know that there will be a scanning mechanism involved in this. Saving ink means that there's a paperless action. So for the nozzle check, it would be a paperless nozzle check. A print check pattern would be the traditional option where you'd get a piece of paper outputted with the nozzle check pattern on it. Once you click printer settings in the bottom left, you'll get this window here. At the top, you can see another view of all of the SureLab D1070 printers you have installed and the status of many of the settings you can change below, from the sound level of the buzzer to when the printer goes to sleep and so on. You can adjust the settings of one printer or all of them at once. Just choose a setting, adjust it, and press set, or select apply to all printers. In the auto nozzle check settings, this is where you can adjust the cadence of nozzle checks and some other printhead settings. Once again, normal modes in here for nozzle checks means that the printer will do an auto scan of your nozzle check to determine if there's any nozzle missing. Periodic check controls how often these settings are activated at a per print basis. So 25 means every 25 prints. The nozzle compensation option will allow for further uptime of your printer. If a nozzle is detected to be missing and you have auto cleaning off, the printer can compensate for this and move to a different nozzle on the printhead to finish out the job. No stopping of your job required. The setting is controlled right here. Finally, the paper settings gives you some options to perform some alignments if necessary.